Hey there, fellow storytellers. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of the Forbidden Forest. Part 1, Lured by the Siren. Let's take a journey through this thrilling tale, where curiosity leads to danger and the siren's call is irresistible. The story begins with a warning, but our adventurers can't resist the allure of the unknown. Maddison and Stacie, our brave protagonists, set off on a path that feels wrong, yet they can't help but be drawn in. As they venture deeper into the forest, they find themselves under the spell of a mysterious siren. Their limbs move like puppets, trapped in her trance. Their father, Greg, tries to save them, but it's too late. The siren drains their souls, leaving Greg limp and lifeless. This thrilling tale of curiosity and danger is just the beginning of the Forbidden Forest. Part 1, Lured by the Siren. We hope you've enjoyed this sneak peek into our story. If you're intrigued, be sure to follow and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more thrilling tales.